Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my workshop. This tip is about placing the gear that I bought when I was on holidays. I showed it on my last tip. I'm going to space it out in my workshop. As usual, I'm enjoying my coffee. That's it. Now, these are my accessories that I have put together over the years. I have shown them on different tips. I'm going to place them down in this shelf, making use of it. Now, this one is on the large side, so it will not go there. That's my turntable. This is another turntable that I have put together I have shown them on different tips. Now this is the double table. This is the table I have for my mill. That's a movable one. I can take this off and put this square one on. I made all these on my homemade milling machine. Now, turn the table, the milling table, that is. This is another vise that I had made for my mill. Turntable, I have the finger for this in the chuck. And this is one of my angle plates that I made. Now, that leaves this free. Now, this is where I'm putting this. I have the drawer lined with material. Now, this is where I'm putting this one. I have the holes drilled for the bolts for it. Now this chuck should go here, hopefully. That's nice, out of the road, yes. That's that chuck there. Now, I suppose I should have tried this drawer before. I've got the two bolts in place. But I should have tried it before I showed it on camera. Let's see. Oh yes, look at that. Yes, that's that. Right. The beauty of these drawers, it has got the wee bearings on the back of the drawer and the bearings here. So it runs, the drawer runs on bearings, which is very nice. A very nice drawer. Now, my welding bench holds most of my gear. I have still room there. I have something for these idle spaces, but it does a good job and just reaching out for whatever gear you may need. These are all homemade accessories except this chuck, and I have made this, or I have another shorter one, commercial one, but I have made this one. I have tips on making these gear tools made just handy to reach for. I have tips on making them, as I said, and making apples. Work hold of my this is my file, other tools. Here's a handy tool. I think I have showed it. Pipe cutter. But that's enough of this for now. I'll go on to other accessories. Now that is my drawer sorted on my welding bench. The bottom shelf stores all, and it's a handy wee welding bench. It comes in very handy. Now for some of the other gear that I purchased, let's get a look at it. Now, pardon me, these containers that I got, I've been looking for them for 2-3 months, and gone into that hardware store on holiday. I came across them. They were made in Britain. Now, as you see, brush and polishing set, cutting disc set, grinding stone set, sander set. Now these little brushes are Sealy, but when I was using these, I was using them on the drill, but I'll show you what I have for them now. Now these are very, very useful. They come in very handy. These little stones I have. Quite a few. I was using them with the drill, but I think that has come to an end. Now, they are a very useful little tool. Polishing paste. All the brushes, these little grinding stones. These are all handy tool. Now, as I said, I was using these with a drill, but a friend told me about this tool. He has one, he said it was a good job, and I got one. He said I haven't looked at it yet. There's all brushes, wee stones, etc. Collets. But now we'll see where this works. Oh, here. Yes. The speeds is 4, 5, 6. Six speeds. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, this must be for holding it if you're changing the collet, I would imagine. But we'll get around to using it. Now there's 4 collets. A small collet. Oh, and there's one in it. So that's 5 collets with it. Oh, a load of cutting discs. Very nice. Very nice. I would imagine these are the polishing ones, yes. All wee brushes, yes, that's the holders for the cutting discs. Looks the part. Now these collets, there's 4 and one's 5. But what have I here? What have I? nice 14 of the same color. They look the very same, but we'll see. Yes, they look they are the very same. So there's another 14 collets. I'll not mix them up. Keep them nice, and I'll keep those in here now. That's the bottom part. I have now, I sorted this plumb bob out, put an eye on it. That's sealed brand new. They're going to the collets, all diamond grinding bit set, 20 piece. Stones, I use these on the drill. Angles, T-pieces, straight, smaller angles, screws for them. Parallel angles, T-pieces. I'm glad I fell in with this. I was looking for it, as I say, for a while, and I came across this in the hardware shop. Also, these now, and this one, four, that's the bolts, nuts, 4mm, 5mm nuts. This one, grease nipples. All Oilers, split pins, male, circlips, brass washers. I like to keep the brass separate on their own. Nice one. So that is this box, which I'm glad I have found it. And again I say, made in Britain. All made in Britain. Nice one. two holders for the stones, cutting discs, etc., brushes, drill bits, small end mills, collets, cutting discs, cutting stones, brushes. Now these are stones. I'm looking forward to using this little tool. It looks better than the awkward drill when you're using these small. I'll make a tip on using it. A friend told me about this. He has one. He says they're a great job. You can drill, mill, grind with this tool, 6 speeds. Now, instruction manual. If you find any difficulties, go online for more information. But it lets you know drilling, milling, grinding. It looks a good wee tool. As I said, I want to make use of this space. Just lift off, lift off. Nice one. That's as far in as they can go. Anyway, that's it. Just back on, back on. Making use of this space. And still making use of this space. Tool, etc. And these still got the drawer for to keep other stuff in. Now that is my drawer sorted, box of accessories, my cordless rotary tool. I'm looking forward to using it. It looks better than the drill. I still have my seat to lay out. So that's us so far. So far so good. Right, I am sorting out my proper seat. I have been searching for one of these for quite a while. I finally got one. I'm wanting to bolt it down onto this seat that I had made. That's about right. Bolting it down on yes, that should go there. Drill 2 holes here. That should be the 2 holes. Drill, they should do. Hopefully. Now these are the bolts I'm using. I had to doctor them for to. I hope they do alright. Now this is bolt number 2 holds. Yes. How's that? Look at that. Nice one. Now, I'll go off camera just to put the washers and nuts on. Yes. Nice one. I like this seat. William Doyle and Company Limited. Okay, I like that seat, nice. Oh yes. That's a proper seat now. Nice one. This is my lathe number 3. I have showed this on a previous tip. He's looking at the start book. My helper, my daughter and son-in-law got me this. I like it. Lathe number 3. Now, that is the tip on sorting out the gear that I bought on holidays. I hope some of you have found it of interest. If so, press the like button. Go to Benny Martyr. Thank you for watching.